My name is Zaria Forman. I am an artist and curator of the exhibition Change, which is aboard this National Geographic Endurance. I really saw this as an opportunity to extend my mission as an artist beyond my own personal art practice. In addition to that, it has allowed me to really create a kind of community for artists who all have a similar mission in mind, who are all making work about the environment, and then to inspire all the thousands of guests that will come aboard this ship every single year in a way that they perhaps wouldn't be by just looking out the window and on their excursions, but in a whole other dimension by seeing the art on the ship. It's been really, really fun for me to get up close and personal with all of the works, and I'm really, really thrilled with every single piece that we have on board. Each deck has a theme, and within that theme, each deck will tell a story through the art. Every piece of work on this vessel is inspired by these icy environments. We have views of glaciers from high above, a sculpture that you can stand inside of that mimics what it would be like to be inside of sea ice. Each individual piece in this exhibition will offer viewers something else to learn that they might not otherwise notice, to allow guests to feel part of something greater than their own individual experience. And I hope it's also participatory, that it will spark conversation, that it will create educating moments and spark ideas and inspiration. Climate change is arguably the largest crisis we face as a global society. Psychology tells us that we take action and make decisions based on our emotions. I really think artists play a critical role in helping to communicate the issues that are involved. So when I make these drawings and when I pull together an exhibition, it is hopefully to inspire many people to take action to protect this earth that sustains us.